Hello, my name is Anna Delgado, and I'll be presenting my Marketing 3301 project over Urban Decay's Naked 3 palette. The Naked 3 palette is a revolutionary palette containing 12 beautiful, never-before-seen rosy shades. It's among the first of its kind. This palette sparked a rosy-hued makeup revolution, jolting the competition to scramble to create similar palettes. The shades in Naked 3 range from gorgeous mattes to shimmery pearls to ultra-shiny metallics. The Naked 3 palette is categorized as an eyeshadow palette. The palette features a sleek, beautifully rose gold design. The shades from left to right are Strange, Dust, Burnout, Limit, Buzz, Trick, Nooner, Liar, Factory, Mugshot, Dark Side, and Blackheart. Urban Decay's Naked 3 palette allows women to express themselves creatively through makeup. The palette fulfills the need customers have to explore new, rosy eye looks. The cosmetics market is a $13 billion industry. Luxury brands like Urban Decay and its competitors are on the rise. A few examples are MAC, Too Faced, Tarte, Stila, and Anastasia Beverly Hills. In a market with so many successful competitors, how does Urban Decay maintain their competitive edge? Since its inception in 1996, Urban Decay's motto has been Beauty with an Edge. The company has always strived to set itself apart from their competitors by creating bold, loudly colored makeup and thinking outside the box. Another way Urban Decay sets itself apart is by creating beautiful luxury items using only cruelty-free methods. Urban Decay never tests cosmetics on animals, and that's something many consumers are willing to pay high prices for. In fact, unlike MAC Cosmetics, who test their products on animals in order to sell their products in China, Urban Decay is certified by both PETA and the Leaping Bunny program as being cruelty-free. Urban Decay's target market are millennial women, college students, middle-class women, and makeup junkies of all shapes and sizes. Owners of Urban Decay's previous Naked palettes also seem to flock to new items from the cult favorite collection. The Naked 3 palette is distributed both directly and indirectly. Urban Decay distributes the palette directly through their online stores and standalone stores. Through direct distribution, Urban Decay can spotlight specific products to drive sales up without competing with other cosmetic brands. Another great advantage of Urban Decay's direct distribution is customer loyalty. For instance, a consumer might go onto Urban Decay's online store or into one of their brick-and-mortar locations hoping to buy cosmetics from several categories such as eyeshadow, lip products, and foundation. Direct distribution through Urban Decay retailers allows them to guide the consumer's purchases to be exclusively Urban Decay products. However, if a consumer walks into another retailer such as Ulta or Sephora, she would then have dozens of other brands to consider when making her purchase. For their indirect distribution, Urban Decay sells the Naked 3 palette through many department stores and specialty retailers both in stores and online, such as Macy's, Nordstrom, Ulta, and Sephora. Indirect distribution is a great way to expose consumers to Urban Decay's products. In the US, Urban Decay only has one brick-and-mortar location, and it's located in California. Naturally, most consumers don't have access to their store, but they do have access to one of their authorized retailers either in-store or online. Another great advantage of indirect distribution is the consumer's ability to see, swatch, and compare Urban Decay's products to another lines to decide which product fits their needs the best. Urban Decay and their authorized retailers sell each Naked 3 palette at $54, both in their stores and on their websites. While the exact pricing strategies cosmetics companies use are well-kept industry secrets, it's estimated that cosmetics like the Naked 3 palette cost anywhere from just a few pennies to a few dollars to manufacture. So hypothetically, the Naked 3 palette could cost Urban Decay as little as $5 to $10 to make. Why then do they sell the palette for $54? The cost of marketing may be the answer. The more Urban Decay advertises the palette, the more money is spent on each one. When the Naked 3 palette was released, advertisements for it could be found almost everywhere. Stores like Ulta and Sephora had large posters and hanging advertisements displaying the palette and its colors. Many online retailers had advertisements on their home page with a release date included to keep consumers ready and waiting anxiously to purchase the palette. Many press kits, including the palette, were given to YouTubers for their consideration and review. Many of these YouTubers had hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of followers. So anytime a YouTube video was uploaded about the palette was another method and another moment of advertisement for the Naked 3. By the time the palette was released, millions of consumers all over the world had been exposed to it, many of whom decided to purchase it. And here are my sources. I've got 2 slides. This concludes my project.